Water's just flowing through from a neighbor's yard to our yard. And downhill. Our patio, our backyard is flooded all the way up to the house. This is the creek, Tally Ho Creek, behind our house.
On January 9th, 2023, the quiet neighborhood of Tally Ho saw historic flooding and damage to their properties. It would soon become one of the wettest years ever recorded in San Luis Obispo County. The Coastal San Luis RCD and Creeklands Conservation teamed up to host our Creek Relief Workshop.
We chose to center the Creek Relief Workshop around three pivotal themes: emergency permitting pathways for three major agencies, best management practices for surface and groundwater protection, and hands-on vegetation management in the channel. We discussed these critical areas to empower landowners to proactively manage their streamside backyards, ensuring the protection for both themselves and the natural environment.
Our partnerships with the Coastal San Luis RCD and the California Conservation Corps have helped to streamline funding and permitting processes to deal with critical stream reaches. This multi-stakeholder effort incorporates experts and perspectives from around the country. We successfully implemented thoughtful nature-based engineering and restoration designs. By planting native wetland species, we reduced flooding risk and enhanced ecosystem health and services further downstream. To learn more, visit creeklands.org and coastalrcd.org.